Hey, in today's video, we're gonna be making some fireworms in Minecraft 1.16. But the worms I make on my Samsung phone, it works. So I got 'em. Because I cannot post on my Galaxy phone right now because it's broken. So that's like the world right now. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. And right now my Roblox avatar might look different, but just please don't mind. Because I don't even know what tools to make it out of. I guess I can go with nether brick. And before y'all say anything, I don't know what else to get, bro. Okay. What the heck? Why do I look at that for a split second? It's like black and white for like a split second. I know y'all didn't see that. But it was like black and white, which is just for like a split second. Here's your no box. Like, here's gonna be the spawn. So let's go here. And if you're wondering why, why level 5? Didn't 1.16 Minecraft didn't have the update, the cave and the pillars update, where they made the wild, god damn it. Messed up freaking balls. Not even. Okay. I'm gonna put the button. Nick. I'm gonna put the button here. I don't know how redstone lamps would react to such fast redstone pulses. So let me just do my best. Nah, I think it was that. Right here, mashed. Like this, like this can go in here. Just deactivate it. Now it's activated. Let me just do this. Oh my god! I kind of have to make it bigger. Shoot. Damn, what was he here? I don't even give a damn. What I want to make fire. Okay, I have to go do this. So it might take a while because so shit. Every single mob in this game have like 1 HP because I have a modded version of Minecraft Pocket. God fucking damn it. Okay. fudge? Bruh. I'm trying to make it a major! Quieter, but for this however the fudge you say it. I cannot pronounce it right. Some words I just cannot pronounce correctly. So please don't make fun of me. You cannot dye it. I think you can when the grow squids was added and the freaking what the hell is it? Yeah, grow in context added. Shut the fudge up. It's 1:59 p.m. Yeah, my watch has a 15-second delay, so it should turn 12 a.m. any second. Yeah, you see 12 a.m. For my area. And your area is quite different. It's like living in California. Gotta get it. Damn it! Fudge. Shit. Why am I hell waiting? Freaking do the floor is because I had this mod on my Galaxy phone called Little Wand. And like I can just like splash like this block here and then like the other block that just filled up when I want. Yeah, it just fit. But nah, on this phone I don't have it. And plus I don't even think this version supports it. But no, I'm kinda hella mad. It's cause I broke my phone yesterday. And I hope my dad sends it to be fixed because I really want it to fix it. Because I have some files, world fireworms and stuff. Well, no, I don't want that phone to like turn into that other phone that I've been sitting there for like the past 7 months or so, 8. I don't even know. I don't want to even say it. It broke since October. I think. I think it broke in October, so I'm just gonna. Yeah, it had been sitting there for 7 whole damn months. gonna be at the same time. Is it on? Can I put? Oh shoot, I can. So right now it's off. So I can do those here, those here, those here, and here. But I still don't have that feature where you can just hold the thing. Sure that shit. Damn it. Yes. so freaking used to the freaking pink block button. Cause I don't know control. It's right for new updates. God, I wish it was so. It's like a 1 point. No, I think it's like 0.16.0. Every time I try to, like every single time I like try to play no block, it would just play a random pitch. And maybe it'd be like pitches above the pitch limit and no block entirely. So I guess so I think they removed it at future updates. It's because you gotta have a picture. Not pictures, like pitches. And like when people try to get the right page of the no block, it would just be hell annoying. So I think they got rid of it for some reason. It's worked good so far. So I'm gonna stop recording now because I'm like 12:10, and I might have to go upstairs later, maybe any minute now. And plus, I really want to play some Roblox right now. And hopefully not get my voice chat suspended again for saying that's why I don't like Mexicans. Well, bro, that is actually true. So yeah, see ya. I'm gonna continue tomorrow. Did I stop?